Paulon, Bangawin, wala. Ikaw na nangyari. Nangyari. Points. Jersey number 9. Mangyari. Pass to Mr. Sola. Sola pumunta. Inalabaw. Pass to Boys Marlon. Last 8 minutes and 12 seconds for the third. Libre, Mr. Balas pass for 3. Sanchez. Salas. Bola. 8 to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Mangyari. Mangyari, penetrate. Number 7, second personal foul. Team foul. Referee kumira, pasok. Okay, back to the movie. Free throw, free throw. Wala. Wala pa rin. Kaya sa kanya ka na yung rebound. Wala, Mangyari pa rin. Mangyari. Block 15. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws. Thank you, Mangyari. Second throw. Red. Bounce. Third quarter. Takin, no? Ready, pasok Mr. Sola. Ang bola ng simbalan. Pasok Mr. Sola. Mr. Maran. Pasok sa gitna. Pasok Sola. Take it. Wala. Smilon. Pasok number 11, Castro. Take 3. Wala. Pasok Mr. Sola. Wala kay Lakas, foul. Black 15, third personal foul, 13 foul. Sub. 15 out. Third foul. Moral. May tanang na bola. Bigyan ng screen. Mr. Salas. Sub, ref, sub. Babawi ba? Wala. Aran, asa ilalim. Carmelo. Number 0. Pasok number 9, taking 2. Namin ang board. Wala. Bang, pasok Mr. Maran. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Carmelo. Take 3. Foul number 12. 14 foul. Mr. Maran. Carmelo. Pilit. Pasko Carmelo to Carmelo. Balik ka sa kanya. Score 14-47. Last 1 minute in the third. Number 0. Fair trade. Wala. Foul. Scholars. White turn 2. 2 free throw. Third personal ball, number 32. Wala. 30 seconds for the third. Pasok. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 9 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Start the fourth quarter. Last quarter. White ball, white ball. Carmelo. Carmelo pass to number 24. Ikot. Carmelo. Tumusot. Points. Maulon. Carmelo, number 42. Foul, jersey number 6, Mr. Balaspas. Second personal foul, first team. Carmelo. Carmelo. Pass to ilalim pay. Pass to number 22. Pinapik. Pass to Mr. Balaspas. Pwede. Pinapik. 2 points. Carmelo. Carmelo pass to Kawhi. Anong bola? White one, Mr. Mahan. First personal foul, first team foul. Maudon. Bola. Ipa. Balaspas. Maudon. Ang bola. Then we shoot. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Ball ng Carmelo pass to. Ay, wala pa rin. Ball with Carmelo. Carmelo. Who's foul? 6 block. Balaspas third personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws. Carmelo. Unang free throw. Dalawang free throw. Score 45-51. Maulon, take it long 3. This, Mr. Balaspas. Foul number 0. Pinilit by foul. Gusto. White 32, blocking foul. Substitution reps. Hindi pala Superman. Fourth personal foul, 32. Wala, hindi naman. Second row. Sana meron na. Ay, pinawi naman. Substitution. Yan nga. Last 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Pasa sa ilalim. Maulon, 2 points. Time out. Philcan goes. Timeout.
Mabilis na po siya mapagod guys, kaya nakaupo na lang siya.
Okay, back to the ball game. Sa timeout na lang yung Philcan. Let's go, let's go!
So let's go, 5 minutes na.
Sanchez, may tangan mo lang. Basta yung gana. Pasa-pasa. Number 9. Number 9, celebrate. Number 38. Gonzal. Pasa sa gitna. Sula.
Foul.
Fouls. Black 13, pushing foul.
One shot, guys. One shot.
Foul. Bonus free throw.
Straight. Again.
Score 48-54. Let's pass. Pass to Paunon. Paunon taking count 3. Wala. Same ball. Boy, ayaw mo lang. Last 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Magaling sa ilalim. Wala.
Angat lang.
After Magyani. Last 4 minutes. Dalawan. Paunon. Taking long 3. Bang!
Yun mo lang.
Sanchez. Timeout, timeout. Last 3 minutes and 27 seconds. 51-58 ang score. Back to the ball game. One box ball. Let's pass. Pass go. Pass to push. Block 13 holding foul, second personal foul, 2 free throw, Mr. Sykes. Fourth personal foul, service pass, or team foul for Manos. Wala. Maunod. Maunod. Take three. Bang! 3 points. Fourteen to shoot. Salas. 10 to shoot. Number 28. Taking shoot. Masyado malakas. Ball by number 9. Pass to Pass to Velasquez. Big. Pass to number 9. Big. Last 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Sayang. Ready. You're ready to go. Pass to Mr. Salas. Salas to Arong bola.
Ayan, bawiin mo.
Pasil. Inilip. Bola.
Uy.
Balling sa kanya. Walang bola. Maunod. Pass to Mr. Pasil. Uy! Offensive foul. Talo masyado. Foul jersey number 9. Substitution. Third personal foul. Mr. Salas. To the side. 9 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Nangyari, wala. Substitution. Wala sa pass, break. Pass to 0 for 3. Wala.
30 seconds na.
Foul. Foul, boys, Arnold. Penalty. Third personal foul. Two free throw, Mr. Salas. Wala. Bigyan buhay. Okay, good. Advance. Pasok, pareho. Meron pa pala isa. Meron pa isa.
One more.
Pasok mo ng free throw. Time out, time out.
Uy!
Wala. Was ball runs counted?
On the basket. White 24.
White 24, count the basket.
One shot. My bad.
First personal foul.
Lima na lang,
14
lima na
foul.
lang.
My box.
Shoot mo na lahat.
Okay.
Apat na lang.
Mangyari.
5 seconds.
Hindi tumama. 13 lang.
Ball runs.
Wala na. 3 seconds na
Number
lang.
13, two free throws. Fourth personal foul.
Anim naman. Anim.
Time out daw, time out. Pahinga muna siya, pahinga. Okay na daw, okay na. Good game, kamayan. Nice game guys, ingat sa pag-uwi.
Yan pong mga
Number 0 taking 3.